What's up, y'all? W.K.D here with W.K.D Construction, and welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna let my tripod fall over. On today's video, we are going to do a drywall walkthrough here at the Melton Farm project. Well, not here, I'm in front of my barn, but here on the Melton Farm project video. Oh, looky, look who's been here. So my drywall guys have been here. They showed up Monday, got everything hung Tuesday, and actually started taping Tuesday, and they finished all their taping and their first coat of mud on their corners and of course their nail beds. They got that done. Man, it makes such a difference in the look of a house. Sometimes it makes the rooms look bigger, sometimes it makes them look smaller. In this case, these are all pretty good sized rooms. It really didn't shrink any of them. Don't mind that. We're gonna have tile back there, and I just need to have that to pressure test because we did not have the faucet. So we will get that fixed, and all that will be covered up with tile anyhow. Shower's gonna be beautiful. The door with the glass on the side, that's gonna make a huge difference. And then our closet. I tried to I asked my drywall guy if he wanted to be in a YouTube video, and he said nope. I said, you want me to mention your name? He's like, nope. So I'm gonna not mention his name, but man, he's doing a really superb job, and as I said earlier, he is going to be my drywall guy from now on. All of this will be a slick finish. We're doing slick ceilings and slick walls. I'm not really a fan of textured orange peel. I don't like. I know that's in different areas of the country, but I think everything slick just kind of looks a little classier. I don't know. To me, I used to be a texture guy on the ceiling, like a broquet or something, some sort of a mud texture, of course not a popcorn spray ceiling. we hadn't done with them in a long time, but kind of tended to go the past 10 years. We've just slicked everything. And I don't know, I like it. Like I said, it just kind of seems a little fancier. Maybe not so much fancier, but traditional. I guess you could say that, traditional. So Mr. Jim Jackman from Silverwood Cabinetry is going to come this week, and he is going to measure all the cabinetry again from drywall to drywall, make sure everything is exact. And then I've got to call the painter and get him scheduled and get him over here. Hopefully get him on standby. We may do a little priming. Maybe we may prime and then let him top coat. I don't know, it just depends on schedule. We'll see what's going on, but I definitely gotta call the painter. It's the day, drywall cleanup day. All of the drywall has been finished. It has been sanded. So, yep, that's what I'm doing, cleaning up. I like to get everything vacuumed. Painters will be here next week to start priming. So I'm vacuuming all the walls, basically, not the entire wall, but mainly where all the joint compound is, the drywall nut is at. The corners where, you know, hand sanding and buildup of the dust. Of course, around all the plates, all the floors, all the boxes, everything. That way, once the painters show up, they can just start basically rolling, and you don't have a bunch of boogers in your paint. And sorry that my drywall guy, I'm gonna call him Mr. T, because he didn't want to use his name or anything like that for whatever reason. So I respect that. I'm not gonna say anything in his name or show any video of him working. So we'll just have to go take a peek after now that he's done. Got the stained polyurethane station. Trying to keep stuff dry. We got stain and 2 coats of polyacrylic clear for the wood ceiling out front and out back, and that is poplar. So you have to watch that video when we put that wood up. It's always really hard to find a good subcontractor. I've been doing this for years. I used to have a crew that did all of my drywall, and old age and the main guy, he had passed away, so I had to try to find another one. And so I've been trying to get a hold of Mr. T for the past couple jobs, but I could never get him in time. So now I got him, and he'll be my drywall guy from now on, because he really did a fantastic job, very professional, gave me all of his certificates of insurance, W.K.D, everything that I needed. The day that I paid him, I didn't have to do nothing. He figured it up the board to the T. Beautiful work. All his boxes, where he cut out all his boxes, beautiful. Didn't have to go back and patch and repair a bunch of stuff. Didn't cover up any of my outlet boxes or switch boxes that I marked on the floor. So I went around and checked that out. They got all those. So just a very good subcontractor, and it's hard to find one that gets on it and does what he says he's going to do, and doesn't ask any questions, just gets it done and takes pride in his work. So yep, I got him, Mr. T. These are 9-foot ceilings, so of course we use 54-inch stretch on the walls, and we did all square bead corners. Wasn't no sense in doing any round corners, and they had all the tools, the bazookas, the banjos, all that good stuff, and they knocked it out of the park. It looks really well, looks really good. So our painters will be here, like I said, next week, start priming everything, and hopefully my heat and air guy will be here that following week and get the air conditioner in, and we can get some acclimation going on to where we can start trimming, setting doors and all that stuff, because I do got to get those ordered, and it'll be a couple weeks to get those in. So we are running along and going pretty good pace right now. Just a little something I like to do. We'll spray the inside of the boot with some black spray paint. That way when you look up in there, you're not going to see all the shiny galvanized metal. It just kind of black fades in with the register. So. Just a little something I like to do, not many people do, but I don't know, I'm just kind of crazy. I just do it. Well, y'all, I sure wish, I wish that I could have got more footage of them hanging and finishing and showing you all the tools, because it is cool. It's a cool process. But like I said, I'm honoring Mr. T's wishes and not putting him on camera. So this is just kind of a generic walkthrough. So maybe on the next house, he'll be, he'll kind of give in a little bit, and I can show you how they install it. Now that all of the drywall is cleaned, vacuumed, all the floors are clean and good to go, we're ready for paint. So hopefully next week, which will be my next video, which will be the painting, we're going to get into painting. So I know those guys, they don't mind being on camera, and we'll get them in action. There's no super cool tools with the painting. It's just a little hand-eye coordination, but we'll get on that, do a little walkthrough, do some painting, and prepping everything and getting ready for some trim. Once again, I am Keith Dykes. This is the drywall walkthrough here at the Melton Farm Project. Thanks for watching, and got it, Coach.